You can do it again. You can do it again. You can do it. Look at Isla. She's rolling. Come on, Isla, you can do it. Do it for your brother. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Keep going. Here, she's gonna do it. Yeah, put your arms down. You can't put your arms in your mouth when you roll. Yes, like that. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. She just did it a minute ago. Watch out, Julian. You gonna roll over? No, Julian. Be careful. Julian! I said no. You did it! You did it! You did it! You did it, Beanie! You rolled onto your belly by yourself, completely. Okay, now you gotta roll back. Can you roll back? That's the most important thing, rolling from your tummy to your back.